Welcome to CAVARTS, the Challenge America Veteran Arts Community. We're so grateful to have you here, sharing your artistry, experiencing the incredible talents of fellow veterans, and supporting one another along the way. CAVARTS is a program of Challenge America, a national nonprofit that uses technology and the creative arts to improve the lives of veterans and their families. I'm Megan Natoli, the Challenge America Program Director, one of your CAVARTS hosts, and a professional flutist. Our remote team is made up of music and art therapists, songwriters, community artists, arts administrators like myself, and other professionals from across the country who come together to create meaningful workshop experiences and engaging content for veterans. In today's video, we'll explore how to navigate CAVARTS on a deeper level, going beyond the basics. This is the homepage you'll see when you first log into CAVARTS. From here, or anywhere in the community, you can customize your viewing experience by sorting posts. We recommend selecting Newest to stay up to date with the latest from fellow CAV artists and community hosts, but there are other options to choose from as well. On the left-hand navigation menu, you'll find the Events section. Here, you can view a combined list of events hosted by Challenge America and our community partners, organized by the spaces you've chosen to join in the Creation Station area. Each event expands to a post containing the event details, location, and sign-up information. Next, we have the General section. All spaces in the General section are visible to every member. The first general space is How to Navigate CAVARTS, a great resource for learning how to adjust your settings, create posts, connect with other members, invite others, and more. Each post expands to an article containing instructions and visuals that will grow your knowledge of navigating the community. The CAVARTS Resource Library is a hub designed for veterans interested in the arts. Here, you'll find resources spanning the visual arts, performing arts, as well as health, wellness, and resources on navigating VA benefits and services. One of my favorite areas is the CAVARTS Spotlight space. This space features interview-style stories and artwork from community members. Each month, we share a call for submissions and highlight 2 or more artists. These features celebrate creative work, explore each individual's artistic process, and offer inspiration from fellow veterans. Be sure to keep an eye out for submission opportunities, as we would love to feature you. Finally, we will take a look at the Creation Station. This area includes a variety of spaces dedicated to various art forms. Some are hosted by Challenge America, while others are led by community partner organizations. These spaces are optional to join, allowing you to tailor your experience based on your artistic and personal interests. As you join more spaces, your feed will begin to reflect content and events from across them. If you're interested in music, we recommend exploring the Guitars for Vets Learning Center, where I am on the screen right now. Their space offers a robust library of guitar instruction, songwriting resources, music theory, and more, along with monthly live events like jam sessions, music theory book club, and office hours. If you enjoy hands-on creativity, check out the Tandy Leather Space, where you can access workshop recordings, explore leather craft projects, participate in competitions, and learn new leather craft techniques from the Tandy Leather team. If you enjoy storytelling and audio-driven content, you may find the art of podcasting especially engaging. In this space, a team of dedicated veteran podcasters host monthly podcast-style workshops live in the community about podcasting. These workshops are recorded and archived in the Podcasting 101 library, which we are building into a robust resource. Our goal is to launch a CAVARTS community-led podcast in the future. There's so much to discover within the CAVARTS community. Each week I discover more and more hidden treasures. Take your time exploring. You'll find inspiring artwork, live events, and valuable resources to support your creative journey. We hope that this tour has given you a helpful overview of the CAVARTS community and how to navigate it. If you have any questions or just want to say hello, please don't hesitate to reach out. We're so glad you're here.